Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How is your day going? Today, I am here with Emily, and we are going to talk about something we all try to master, our daily routine.
Hey everyone, I am so happy to be here today. Honestly, discussing morning habits is my favorite. Let's start our conversation.
Hi, Emily. How are you today?
Hi, David. I am doing very good today. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking. Just trying to romanticize my morning, you know?
That is nice to hear. Honestly, we all need that energy.
So, Emily, be honest. Do you actually have a daily routine?
Yes, I do. It really keeps me grounded.
And do you actually follow it every single day?
Well, yes, I follow it almost every day. Life happens, but I try.
That is great. Consistency is key.
Thank you.
Okay, let's get into the details. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Oh, 7. Do you use an alarm?
Yes, I do. My phone has a few different alarms set, just in case.
Classic. Is it easy to wake up for you?
Sometimes yes, sometimes absolutely no. Some mornings I just want to stay under the covers forever.
I completely understand. The struggle is very real.
What about you?
I wake up at 6:30.
Whoa, 6:30? That is early.
Yes, it is, but I love it. I really like quiet mornings before the rest of the world wakes up. It's so peaceful.
That actually sounds beautiful. What is the first thing you do when you open your eyes?
First, I turn off my alarm so it doesn't drive me crazy.
Fair enough. Then what do you do?
I get out of bed. No snooze button allowed.
Wow, strong discipline. Do you make your bed right away?
Yes, I always make my bed. It makes me feel like I've already accomplished one thing today.
That is a good habit.
Thank you. What about you? Do you make your bed?
Yes, I try to, but sometimes I forget, or I'm just in too much of a rush.
Hey, that is okay. We're only human.
Exactly. After that, I wash my face with cold water to wake myself up.
Love that. Do you brush your teeth before breakfast?
Yes, I always brush my teeth first. I can't stand eating breakfast with morning breath.
Me too. It's the only way.
Then I drink a glass of water right away.
That is healthy. Hydration first thing.
Yes, it really helps me feel fresh and ready for the day.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I do, if I have the energy.
What kind of exercise are we talking about?
Oh, nothing too intense. I just do simple stretching.
Ah, stretching is so underrated. How long do you exercise?
Only about 10 minutes.
That sounds easy and super manageable.
Yes, it is really good for beginners, and it just wakes up my muscles.
That's awesome. I usually go for a short walk instead.
Really? In the quiet morning?
Yes, I absolutely enjoy the fresh air. It clears my mind.
That sounds so relaxing, actually. I might have to try that.
It really is.
So, what do you do after your walk?
I take a shower.
Crucial step. Do you like hot or cold water?
I like warm water. Not too hot, not too cold.
Me too. It's like a warm hug to start the day.
Exactly. Then I get dressed.
What do you usually wear? Are you a fancy dresser or casual?
I keep it super simple. I wear a t-shirt and jeans.
That is comfortable and classic. You can never go wrong with that.
Yes, it is.
After I get dressed, I make breakfast. That's my favorite part of the morning.
Ooh, what do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and toast. Quick, easy, and delicious.
That sounds delicious. Do you add any fruit?
Yes, sometimes I also eat fruit.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like bananas.
They're so easy to grab on the go.
Nice. I like apples.
Apples are very healthy. An apple a day, right?
Yes, they are.
Do you drink coffee to fuel your morning?
Sometimes, but not always.
Tea or coffee?
Usually tea.
Oh, I like tea too.
What kind of tea?
Green tea. It has that nice, clean energy.
Nice choice. Super refreshing.
Thank you.
After breakfast, what do you do to get your workday started?
I prepare for work.
Do you check your bag before you head out?
Yes, I check everything. I'm always paranoid I'm going to leave something behind.
I completely get that anxiety. What do you put in your bag?
My notebook, my phone, my water bottle, and my keys. The essential survival kit.
Very organized.
I try my best.
I also check my bag before I leave home.
That is a good habit. Saves you a trip back.
Yes, it really helps me remember everything.
Do you leave home early?
Yes, I do not like to be late. Being rushed stresses me out too much.
I completely agree.
Being on time is important.
Yes, it is.
Well, friends, what about you? What does your morning look like?
What time do you wake up every morning? Are you an early bird like David or a snoozer like me?
Please write your answer in the comments below. We genuinely want to know.
Yes, we would love to read your answers.
Let's continue talking about our daily routine in the next part.
There are many more simple English words and useful daily expressions to learn together.
But before you jump into your day, if this video brought a little warmth to your morning, don't forget to tap that like button, share it with a friend who struggles to wake up, and hit subscribe to join our cozy little community. See you in the next one.